Hi everyone, I'm Eric from SinkSEAL, and I'm here to introduce you to a new product we're very excited about. This is the new Universal 2-in-1 SinkSEAL kitchen sink gasket. We redesigned the shape of the typical SinkSEAL by adding these control grooves in either side, allowing the material to pull apart. Some sinks, such as this style with this integrated U-channel, uses this type of a clip system to fasten the sink to the countertop, has a recessed void here that needs to be filled in order to seal the perimeter of the sink. The shape right out of the package is what you would use for this style sink. You're going to peel back the two-sided tape. This is going to sit right in here against that U-channel. You're just going to wrap the perimeter of the sink, install it, clamp it down, and it's done. But there's other styles sinks, other materials that just have a flat lip style like this with an integrated flange, and that's where the sink itself wraps over to the underside as opposed to being cut off on the U-channel style. And for this, obviously this particular shape is going to be much too tall once the sink is clamped in place, and you're going to end up having a gap between the countertop and the sink. So what we've done is we've designed the material to be able to separate from itself by just grabbing each section here, pulling it apart. You want to pull this off the entire length. And the top section is actually just going to get discarded. You're not going to use that at all. And what you're left with is a nice low profile, and because of the closed cell material, this is 100% waterproof. Will not crack, shrink, dry out, and as you can see on the package here, resistant to household cleaners, solvents, grease, and mold. One package will seal a standard double sink. The way this works, you just want to cut one end at a 45-degree angle. A pair of scissors is all you need to do the job. You want to peel back the liner. And you can see on this sink, I've already installed most of the clips. I just want to show you how these go on. There's these little holes that tab snaps into. You just push that into place, and that's it. This leaves you about a 1/4 inch space between the clip and the edge of the sink. Simply start your sink seal a 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch inside the edge. Pull the backing off as you move along. And wrap this around the perimeter of the sink. There's not a lot of meat in the corners, so you just want to keep it as close to the edge as you can without it sticking out. You continue to do that around the entire sink, and then once you set this in place and you tighten down these clamps, this is going to compress, leaving virtually no gap between the countertop and the sink while still sealing from water penetrating underneath.